Hey everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with my next design team haul. So I actually have two design team packages. One is a smaller one just because it was paper that was a little bit later coming in. Actually, both of them were late coming in, but that's beside the point. And then the other is a normal one. So my small package is Magical Place from Echo Park. So this is another Disney kit, and you all know me and Disney by now, and if you don't and are new here, I am a little bit obsessed. So most of the time when there is new Disney paper, Disney themed paper, because of course it's not Disney licensed paper, that would be amazing, but you know. When new Disney themed paper comes out, Tammy typically sends it to me because she knows how I am. So my smaller package is Magical Place from Echo Park. So I've got their flat-backed adhesive brads, which why the paper companies haven't been doing this for years is beyond me, because I never would use the brads because I hated trying to have to poke holes in the paper and get it positioned, and then, just, it's messy, and I don't like it. These adhesive brads, however, are really fun because they're adorable and they just stick. So it makes it easier. And then there's always some little bonus chipboard pieces on here as well, which are awesome. We've got a little camera and the castle and balloons and all of that kind of thing. So that will be fun. I also, of course, got matching seam binding. So I've got a red, a yellow, and kind of a bluish gray. It's really pretty. I don't think I've actually had this color before. I know I've had the other two. So can't ever have too much of that. She also has sent me the stencil that goes with this, and I don't know about you guys. Lately, I have been absolutely obsessed with stencils. I don't know what my problem is, but it's getting a little crazy over here. In fact, I'm trying to find. There it is. So this one was one that was part of the Simple Stories Lemon Twist that sold out in like 2 or 3 hours, I think, in the shop, but I loved it. I had to have that lemon stencil. It was just too cute. But anyway, it's beside the point. I've got a little bit of an obsession going on with the stencils. So we'll find something fun to do with this. Maybe we'll do some foil. We'll see. Okay, so let's get into the paper collection. So I've got, of course, the sticker sheet, which we've got a castle, we've got a treat cart, we've got popcorn, which honestly, it's a toss-up between the popcorn and the Mickey pretzels, which is my favorite treat at Disney. It's going to be one or the other. The Dole Whip is good. Personally, I'd rather have the other stuff. I like the salty stuff. That's all I got to say. Anyway, I digress. I am in the middle of Disney planning right now, so this was perfect. We were, when my husband and I got married, we went to Disneyland on our honeymoon, and our 20th anniversary is in September this year. So initially, we had planned on we were calling it our epic 20th anniversary Disney trip. We were going to go to Disney World instead of Disneyland. And then, of course, when I was getting ready to start planning this last year, COVID hit. Everything was just crazy, which is why this paper was not brought into the store at Country Craft Creations until just now, because the parks are finally open. They're finally getting back to being a little bit closer to normal. So that's why she did bring this paper in. So because we are now back to planning our trip, I have the Disney paper and I have Disney on the brain. So we've got, of course, the cute red and white Minnie Mouse polka dots with castles and fireworks on the back. We have got a complaining cat. Gus, go to your chair, honey. There's nothing in your chair. I know, I love you too. I love you too. I know. Okay, sorry. 3x4 cut-aparts. We've got tickets. We've got rides. We've got balloons. We've got snacks. We've got castles. These are actually some really good cut-aparts. We've got some more polka dots. And then we've got, this is similar to the Magical Birthday that they had the black sheet with all of the little sayings on it that would be perfect to fussy cut out. We've got stars in all of the typical Disney colors here. And then we've got balloons, and I love balloons. Those are just fun. We've got some stripes with our 4x4 cut-aparts on this side. So There's some good ones here, you know, the cute camera and things. We've got the banners and flags here, which this is another one. This would be fun to fussy cut some of these little pieces and maybe put them on pictures. And then there's the buttons on this side, which these buttons, the way they have printed this, they almost look 3D. They almost look like they're going to pop off the page, which is different for what they typically do with their Disney collection. So this was actually a really fun piece. And these would be fun to just punch out and put glossy accents on, or the Nouveau crystal glaze, and use them as embellishments. That would be awesome. And I may actually end up doing that. That would be fun. So we've got a red plaid, and then we've got cameras on the other side. So the cameras are really cute. Maybe we'll do a shaped album of this. I don't know. I haven't decided just yet. Okay. We've got yellow polka dots. And we've got our, excuse me, 4x6 cut apart. So hop on the train to the fantasy land of fun. We literally are notorious for just getting on the train at Disney and riding around and around and around when we need a break. And I know we're not the only ones that do it, because we've seen other families do it too. So that one really holds a special place in my heart right now. You know, just some really fun ones here. Got another cute plaid, and then we've got more fireworks, and the fireworks are a little bit smaller this time than the last Disney collection that was released, so that's good. We have the black and white check, and then on the back we've got hot air balloons and sunshines and cars and airplanes. So that's a fun, kind of different one than what we typically see. We've got our snack cart, so you've got pretzels, hot dogs, ice cold pop, ice cream. They're missing my popcorn cart. Come on. What? Oh, no, there it is. Haha, there it is. Okay, anyway. Sorry. Again, Disney on the brain. And on the back side of this, they've got what has been one of their newer things they've been doing with the multi-sized color cut apart. So you've got some different sizes here to play with. You've got a little border here. You've got some other small, I'm just here for the snacks. There we go. Perfect. You know, a couple of tags, just some fun ones on the back there. And this one's neat. I gotta say, I love this page. I love that it looks like the newspaper. It just, you know, inside my bag, all the different things you carry with you. I mean, seriously, this is just, you know, in 50 years of thrills. So October 1st is Disney World's 50th anniversary. So, you know, again, when we were planning our 20th anniversary trip, you know, we were doing it to coincide with that, which of course their 50th anniversary celebrations going on for like 18 months or something, because that's what Disney does. But I mean, this is just like perfect timing with this. So that's awesome. And then on the back, we've got, you know, our word page, which is another really good one. So then we've got our matching solids. Got a couple of reds, yellow, blue, kind of a craft, and then a black, and then of course chipboard. So that is my small package. So I will probably get one good-sized album out of this. Okay. Then my other package is the Simple Stories Howdy collection. This one, I don't know what it is about this. This is just, I just think this one's so cute and so fun. So we have got the foam stickers from Simple Stories, which if you haven't seen these things are like really thick. They're probably 1/8 of an inch thick, and they're sturdy. They're not like, I don't know, you know, if you're my age, you're probably thinking foam stickers, and you're thinking like those little puffy stickers we used to get. Occasionally your teacher would put it on your paper when you did a good job on something in class in grade school, and they would kind of like, they would smush down. These things are like, they've got a little give to them, but they're not going to smash down, and you know, they're just really fun. So you've got 2 sheets. Here we've got Yippee, Wild West, Cowboy, Wanted, Bullseye. On the other side, we've got Happy Trails, we've got Cowgirl, we've got Adventure, we've got Howdy. you know, just some really fun ones. I also got some of Country Craft Creations buttons. So we have got an assortment of really neat looking brown buttons here that I will use on something with this project or with this paper. We've got the sticker sheet, of course, and Simple Stories does a really good job with giving you lots of little word stickers that are great on photo mats and that kind of thing. Got a good border. We've got some tabs. These little town pieces are absolutely adorable, and depending on how this goes, you may end up with a second shaped album out of me here before too much longer, because they're just cute. But look at these little animals. You've got the squirrel with the guitar and the cowgirl hat. How cute is that? You've got a raccoon robbing the bank. You've got the little fox sheriff with his little gecko partner. I mean, come on. How cute is that? I love this. This was one, like, I didn't expect to really like it until I saw it in person, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. I actually ordered quite a bit of it, so I've got extras that I'll show you here in a second that were not part of my design team kit that I did purchase separately. So we've got 2 of each paper going on here. So we've got a really cool red bandana with the little sheriff stars on the back side in lots of colors. Got a nice plaid here with a nice map of the West out here. So let's see here. There's Fort Bridger, and right here it says Fort Uintah and Browns Hole, which is about where I grew up in Utah. And then here is Salt Lake City, which is where I am now. So there you go. All right, we've got horseshoes, which are adorable. And then we've got fun clouds. And I don't know what it is about this. There was an October afternoon collection years ago that was kind of a Western theme that I liked, but I wanted something more. This collection really is what I wanted out of that collection many, many years ago. So I was really kind of excited to be working with this. We've got bandanas hanging off with some clotheslines. We've got a cute, cute red check that I may have to get some more of just this paper just because I like that. That's a good one for cards. We've got a page full of tags. So we've got birthday, we've got just, you know, hello, we've got all kinds of stuff. Just fun things here that these could be really cute to use for kids' birthdays. Maybe we'll do a little tag album with this. I don't know. Like I said, it's still in the planning stages. I haven't decided what I'm doing with any of this shit. And then there's, of course, the backs of the tags. So these are really good for journaling spots. Got a pretty flower going on here on that wood background. And then just a pretty polka dots here with the tone-on-tone green with the white polka dots. And I know those are kind of hard to see, but there you go. You can kind of see the darker ones. Then we have our 3x4 cut-aparts, of course, and we've got that cute little squirrel cowgirl again. We've got a really cute campfire with the Dutch oven over the campfire. And then we've got a pretty yellow, almost bandana-looking print here. And then we've got some more journaling cards this time. So just some really, and they're kind of some different sizes in here, so that's always good. Perfect for a little list there. You know, if this is something where, you know, maybe you've gone on vacation somewhere, you know, Western themed, that, you know, this would work for. You've been to the rodeo this summer or something like that. This is really going to be good paper for this. We've got a good stripe on the back side. We've got our 4x6 cut-aparts, and look at this little town one. How cute is that? That is just adorable. And then we've got happy trails, adventure, and we've got, you know, some that are oriented one, you know, sideways versus, or horizontal, landscape versus portrait. I know what I'm trying to say, I swear. Cute kind of southwest-ish print on the back of that. And then we've got, again, the multi-sized cut-apart. So we've got our 4x4s, and we've got our 2x2s that Simple Stories always does such a good job on. So we've got all of those, and there's some really fun. There's our little gecko again there, and a pretty orange print on the back. Then we've got our cowboys on their bucking broncos, and then a blue on almost like denim look on the back side of that. And then this sheet, I love this sheet with the little town and the red rocks and everything and the little stagecoach. I love this. This is so fun. And then on the back, we've got a really pretty kind of teal and brown flower pattern. So that is what came with my design team package for this paper. And then I had, in addition to that, ordered some extra little elements and things here. So I bought the page pieces from Simple Stories. So these are something newer that they've done. So you've got, 17 pieces in here, and they're a little bit bigger. So I've got a bigger cactus, I've got Howdy, I've got some other little elements here. So you can see how big this is. I mean, this is like what? About 6 inches almost. So they're meant for scrapbook pages, but these will also work in mini albums. So I'm excited to use those. That's why I ordered them. I've got the journal bits. So we've got some different little things there that we can use. I also ordered the bits and pieces because I wanted these little characters. They're so cute. Literally, I can't stand it. You know, and just some other fun, like we've got the campfire, we've got the little wagon, we've got the little town buildings, we've got a wanted poster with the little raccoon guy on it, we've got a stagecoach, we've got a horse, we've got the little gecko. We don't have the squirrel. Come on, Simple Stories. The squirrel was adorable. Is she in the other one? She's not. I am heartbroken. It's okay. We've also got Simple Stories flat-backed brads that are self-adhesive, of course, which is awesome. We've got our little sheriff and our little gecko sidekick. And then we've got some little bonus chipboards here. And then I did order the actual chipboards. There's our squirrel again. Isn't she cute? And this has our bandana border. It's got just lots of fun little elements in here. So I did order those separate from the design team package, and of course an extra couple of sheets of some of my favorite papers because, as you all know, this is what I do. Anyway, so that's what paper we're going to be working with next. As always, like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload new tutorials. And go join Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations to see the other tutorials that the other design team members do, because we've got some fabulously talented women on the design team, and everybody has a little bit different style, and they all do such a fabulous job. And then I also have a group on Facebook called I Scrapped Under the Influence, and if you have made any of my projects or any of the design team members really for Country Craft Creations, you can post them there and share them with others, and it's just, you know, somewhere kind of fun to go. So I'm going to start designing, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.